Welcome to Outdoors and Country Living. My name is Leanne. I'm going to show you how I make a delicious honey banana bread made with fresh milled flour. We mill the flour ourselves. It's made with organic, soft white wheat flour. Then Jesus declared, I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never go hungry, and whoever believes in me will never be thirsty. This is in John 6:35. So to get started, here are our ingredients for this wonderful honey banana bread. You need 1 stick of butter, 2 eggs. These are farm fresh from our chickens, 4 ripe bananas. We're going to be using pure raw honey. This is from our homestead beehives. Vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. I make it homemade. Ground cinnamon, baking soda, salt, that's pink Himalayan salt, and like I said, we'll be using soft whole wheat fresh milled flour. No sugar in this recipe, just the honey, which yes is a sugar, but it's a simple sugar and our bodies can process it a whole lot better because God made honey and He made us. First of all, let's crack these 2 eggs into a bowl and we're going to beat them up. Nice farm fresh eggs with a rich yolk. Any egg will work. They don't have to be farm fresh if you don't have them. Just going to whip these up a little bit. We're not using any fancy equipment to make this banana bread. We're kind of doing it old school today. So mash up your 4 ripe bananas. This is just a manual old school potato masher. You can use a fork if you don't have a masher like this. Just trying to keep things simple in this video using equipment that most every kitchen will have. So to the bananas, add the eggs, 3/4 cup of pure raw honey, we're going to assemble all of our wet ingredients here first. 1 stick of butter melted. This is real butter. I wouldn't advise using anything else. Mix that up really well. I told you we were doing old school, no fancy equipment. 1 to 2 tablespoons of the pure vanilla extract. 1 to 2 teaspoons ground cinnamon. And 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 teaspoon of salt. Swirl it up. The cinnamon can be a little challenging to work in. Just do the best you can. Three cups of flour. This is fresh milled flour. We've been milling our own flour since 2014. The taste of fresh milled flour is so much better. I would highly encourage you to obtain fresh milled flour or mill it yourself. So once you've got that all mixed up, get your loaf pan and spray it with some oil. Dump in the banana bread batter into that greased loaf pan. I should have said earlier in the video, but you will want a preheated oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit to bake this bread. Smooth out the batter a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. Again, going into a preheated 350-degree oven. That's Fahrenheit. It's going to bake for about 45 minutes or until it's set on the top. All right, our oven is hot at 350 degrees, so let's go ahead and put that bread in. And it's been baking for a little while here. It's still not done, but I just wanted to show you what it will look like as it bakes. A little bit more time has gone by. We're looking better, looking really good actually. Still not done on the top in the middle. So here we're looking done. You can see I'm touching the middle to test the firmness. It's not soft, so we're going to call this done. Get it out onto a cooling rack and just let it sit here like this for about 15 minutes or until you can handle it to remove it from the loaf pan. But it's nice and set on the top, nothing gooey. It's looking good. A little bit dark around the edges, but that's normal. Sweetbreads like this take a little bit longer, and then your breads get nice and brown like this. It's also the whole wheat flour that I used that makes it look darker. So now I'm just going to get the bread out of this loaf pan. I love these loaf pans, by the way. Absolutely nothing sticks in them, whether it's a sweet bread or a yeast bread, sourdough, whatever. But look at that. Beautiful, golden, done all the way through. Here's an up close of that pan. This is a USA pan. They don't sponsor us or anything. I just really like their baking pans. We got it from Amazon a few years ago. So just marveling at this beautiful honey banana bread. I know somebody is eager here to cut into this bread, and his name might be Tom. So his favorite piece is the end piece here. We're just going to cut a couple slices so we can take a look on the inside of this bread. And I don't know about you, but we enjoy eating our banana bread with a little bit of butter smeared on the top of it, or additional honey, whatever. But look at that. It's done all the way through. No gooey spots. That looks beautiful. Nice whole wheat nutritious flour there. This is a special treat at our house. We don't often eat sweetbreads or dessert breads, is what I refer to them as. Not very often, but once in a while we do treat ourselves, which is fine. Everything in moderation, right? But that's how you make a banana bread with no sugar, just with pure raw honey. Visit your local beekeeper to buy you some. And I hope you can make this awesome banana bread for yourself. Enjoy it. Come back and let us know what you think if you make it. May God bless you. May you take care of yourselves. May you eat well. And may you seek Jesus if you don't know him. Until next time, may God bless you. Take care. See you later.